Those companies that are leveraging Leo today, they have a significant competitive advantage. A mechanical engineer that works with Leo is like a manager, the leader of the engineering process. It offloads the tedious work into Leo. Leo is like his engineering agent for the physical world. The competition could be so dramatic and could be so catastrophic that your competitor is gonna introduce to market a solution faster than you, and he's gonna win the business, and you're gonna stay behind. So it's basically sometimes zeros and ones. The other thing is basically not only the speed to go to market, but the speed or the efficiency that you provide to your team. A team of 5 today with Leo can do a work of a team of 15 without AI, the quality of your designs. So Leo is based on a foundational model that we build specifically for mechanical engineers. This is a specific proprietary patented AI model that can understand CAD. It can read CAD, right? It can see what you see inside your CAD tool. So it reads it and it allows you to find best fit parts, answer questions based on the engineering context. It's connected into your PLM, into your PDM, into your CAD, and it was trained only on the Bibles of engineering.